Welcome to today's segment of Fix It Friday, where we use Versago to help you improve processes and data flow within your organization. This week's segment, we're going to be covering off recurring billing and how we can automate that process. So before, we had service contracts in SAP Business One, and users had to go in and manually create sales orders and invoices for monthly, quarterly, and annual billings. The process was tedious because you had to make sure that you calculated the right amounts based off of the months or days or annual billing because everything was itemized out on a monthly rate. So what we did is we took the service contract that was in SAP Business One and we identified the items that are laid out here and the amount and the quantity of those and whether it's a monthly bill. And you could have multiple items or single items within these contracts. We have some remarks in regards to what the program is that the customer is signed up for on their service contract. And we built a report for accounting, and that report allows accounting in Versago to go in and call up the recurring billings that are showing up that need to be processed. So here you can see the program, the items that are within that program, and accounting can simply just very quickly see the contract ID, select the contract that they want to process or contracts that they want to process. And at this point, accounting is going to submit these for processing. It shows them a summary of the invoices that are going to get generated, and they submit this for processing. Now behind the scenes, Bizweaver has this workflow that's listening for when that event happens. If we go into SAP Business One now, and if we go to our sales order area, we can see that we've created our sales orders for the program. In the customer reference, we have the recurring billing note, and in the remarks of the sales order, we have the filter program. People may ask why a sales order versus generating an invoice. Well, the reason is that the process that we fixed for our customer, they needed to order these filters and paper products because they do not stock them. So this allows them to do the procurement and have those items drop ship from their supplier directly to the customer, allowing them to streamline further processes downstream within the supply chain. And you can see how this saves hours of reconciliation for the accounting department, how the invoices are remarked with the service contract details, and this makes the collection and the collection process a lot easier as well. So with Versago, we help you improve processes and data flow on a day-to-day basis. The list of use cases is endless. If you have an example that you would like us to showcase or think that maybe you need help mapping out, please get a hold of me, email me, and we can certainly either do a segment like this or we can have a one-on-one meeting and discuss your requirements. Thank you for your time today.